Welcome, CNG 124 online. Um, let's see. I want to talk a few things real quick, and this is my third time making this. Hopefully, it works this time. Here we have Packet Tracer and a file. So, looking at this, I didn't save it, so I can go through and fix it again. So, looking at this one, open this up. I will try to ping from one side to the other. Ping 192.168.2.100. It's not going to work. Why is it not going to work, George? Because I'm verifying some of the stuff you put on here. So look, and this is where it'll help all of you to write this and then like look at it and verify it. Um, so this PC right here, as I look at it, it's 2.100. The network we're given or the network address that's given is this. My gateway is this. So I kind of start to make some deductions like, maybe something's not adding up here and start to make some changes. What is that? It goes to 3. This one becomes 168 dot, 192.3.0. So that's a network address. So that one looks right. And then let me go to the desktop, IP configuration. Yep, there it is right there. This looks right. Config 192. Yep. Okay. 199, 2, 168, 2. That looks correct. This one looks incorrect. And like I said, this is my third video going through this, so I already fixed it once. But it had no sound, so I had to remake it. So it looks like all this should be working now. We're at network address 3.0, 3.1, 3.100 is in it. Network address 2.0, 2.1, and 2.2 is in this network address. Network address 1.0, 1.1, and 1.100. So it should work at this point to correct this and ping across. There we go. And that was it. And it wasn't, like I said, it's not like heavy digging. If you do make a mistake in the router, you can do the same thing, open up the router interface. Don't click the CLI, click the config, and then you're going to say, okay, what kind of static route do I have? 2.1? Yeah, I'm supposed to go 2.1. Okay. Gigabit, it didn't say. Oh, there we go. Gigabit 0 should have 1.1. Gigabit 0 has 3.1. Gigabit 01. Oh, did I click on the right one? Oh, no, I'm on this one. Okay, so gigabit 00, 3.1, that's correct. Our serial port, no information given, but if I click either one, I can see that only one's assigned an IP address, and then I assume that this DCE line is then plugged into that. So, good job. Once again, this is a learning experience. Um, I'm not going to hammer you guys for points. If you did something wrong, I'm going to give it back and ask you that you redo it. Maybe point out some corrections that will help you along your way. But since we're in this online environment, definitely try to make this easy on yourself by putting the information on there and then verifying that information so it's correct. Excuse me. That's all I have for this week. The transport layer, remember to use, this is my example, use your own example, website of your choice. Make sure you make that relevant to yourself. Do it on a network that doesn't have a lot of traffic. That'll make it easier for you. And with that, I'll let you guys kick off your week and have a good week.